morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Today we are going to learn something new. Our today's topic is chapter 12, A and the. So let's start. Today we are going to learn about the articles A and the. We are going to learn about the use of A and the. So let's start. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. Students, can you identify the naming words from here? Yes, flower and orange. Very good. So students, we have used A and the to point out the nouns flower and orange. These words, that is A and the, used to point out nouns are called articles. There are three articles, A and the. Articles are used before nouns. The words a or an always comes before a singular noun. We use the for something specific. Now, let's learn the topic in detail. Let's start with A. We use A before words that begin with a consonant sound. So, we use A before words that begin with a consonant sound, such as a doctor, a cake, a cat, a rose, a girl. So, here you see students the words doctor, cat, cake, rose, girl. These words begin with a consonant sound. So, we use a before the word which begin with a consonant sound. Now, let's talk about the use of an. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. So, we use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Let's have some examples. An umbrella, an apple, an ice cream, an elephant, an orange. So, here you see students the words umbrella, ice cream, apple, orange, elephant. These words begin with a vowel sound. So, we use an before the noun which begin with a vowel sound. Now, let's talk about the use of the. We use the for something specific. Before the names of famous building, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Before the names of holy or important books. For example, the Gita, the Bible. Before the special names of sea, river, ocean and countries. The Indian Ocean, the Ganga. Now let's have some examples. The moon, the sun, the Himalayas, the Taj Mahal. So students, we use the when we talk about something specific. Articles a and an used to introduce a singular noun. Now look at the following sentences to learn the use of articles a and the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. So students, we observe that articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall and an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun for the second time. That is about a particular thing. In this case, it is the stall. So, article a and an are used for a singular noun, and we use the for something specific, or we use the for the same noun for the second time. That is about the particular thing. So students, we have learnt about the use of a, an and the. Now let's revise the topic. So there are three articles, a, an and the. We use a and an for one out of many. Use a when the noun begins with a consonant. For example, this is a bag. Use an when the noun begins with a vowel. For example, this is an apple. Use the for a specific item. For example, the earth is round. So students, today we have learnt about the articles a, an and the. And we have learned about the different uses of the articles a, an and the. Now students, it's your turn to complete the worksheet. I hope students you have enjoyed today's class. Now ma'am is going to end the class. Goodbye students. Thank you.